now it's time to make another review, because I bought this thing. It's a fucking mouse, but first we have to review this keyboard. So the keyboard is called Razer Black Widow Tournament 2014 edition, and if we look here, the switches are they're green. Okay, so and the next thing you do is like, and then you just fucking Okay, so the next thing you wanna do is like know how to properly clean the keyboard. So you wanna like get the water ready to boil and shit. So you just put the fucking thing and let it sit there for like half an hour. And yeah, then you know, we also have this giveaway. So we're gonna be giving away like Razer gear, like you know, Razer. So you just enter this contest by subscribing to my YouTube, following me on Twitch, and following me on Twitter. And then I'm gonna post a tweet about this shit on Twitter, and then you like fucking retweet that shit, and that's how you're in. So and that way you can like enter the fucking contest and win like Razer gear, like this thing, and I'll even throw in some shaving cream. Okay, cool. So you kind of like want to just like season your fucking keyboard. So what I always use is like just take a bit of soy sauce and shit. Just put that shit right in. Yeah, boy. Yeah. And then you maybe get some sriracha sauce. That's always good. I like sriracha sauce with everything. Fucking open. And there we go. And then fuck, dude. Yeah, you just like leave it for another. You leave it on the maximum heat on for like another 10 minutes or whatever. And okay, so now that the keyboard is done, you wanna like give it a nice finish. So it's not you wanna like water cool it. So just use one of these, stick it in. And be sure not to waste any of the sauce, because like Africans can eat that shit, you know. Okay, so the next thing you do is you plug the cable in, okay, and here's the fucking end of the cable. Then you have to plug the fucking thing in, and it's right there. Don't mind this, it's part of the design. And just put this fucking piece of shit in. Okay, it should start working now. Okay, it's not yet. Okay, so now if we press G, it slides G. If we press I, get I, so it's still so the keyboard is working just fine. I don't know what the fuck that is. Okay, and then when you press enter, what happens is that's the wrong macro.